Hello students, today we are gonna finish with this chapter of excretory system and our last topic is osmoregulation. Well, osmoregulation, it is the regulation of osmotic pressure of the blood. Well, how this osmotic pressure is maintained? It is maintained by water content of the blood. See what happens while removing waste like urea from the blood. Kidneys, they do regulates the composition of the blood. They do not alter the composition of blood. For example, in a minute from kidney around 1 liter of blood flows, and in a day, or you can say in 24 hours, the glomerular filtrate which is produced in the kidneys, it is around 160 liters, but the urine produced after reabsorption in a day is just 1.2 liters. So there is a lot of difference. See, 160 liter the glomerular filtrate produced in a day, and in a day urine formed is just 1.2 liter. It means that around 98.6% of this glomerular filtrate, out of this 98.6 is reabsorbed by the kidneys and just 1.4% is secreted out as urine. A large difference is there. Glomerular filtrate, which generally consists of water, glucose, amino acids, salts like sodium ions, chloride ions and urea. So everything that enters into glomerular filtrate is not a waste. We have to reabsorb the glucose, amino acids, salts and water. Now, and this is how by reabsorption the concentration, the level of water is maintained in the blood. Just now we have read that ADH, whenever the urine produced is more, the amount of water is more in the urine. So we have read it in regulation that ADH hormone is secreted, which makes the walls of the DCT more permeable to water so that the water can re-enter into the capillaries of blood to maintain that osmotic pressure of blood. Some questions that we can get from this osmoregulation are: why we urinate less in summer or why we urinate more in winters, why urine is generally thicker in summers, and why urine is diluted, less concentrated or less thicker or thinner in winters. So all these questions, they roam about the same type of answers. See, we drink enough water either directly or through food, which helps the kidney to perform their proper working. In tropical countries, as like we are staying in our country, we drink a lot of water during summers, but yet we urinate fewer times. Why is it so? Well, in summers we lose a considerable amount of water through perspiration or sweating, so there is already a lesser amount of water is available for urine formation. So in the body, if we have already lost a large amount of water, so the urine will be more thicker because it is not having that amount of water in it. And if urine is less, we will urinate less. That is the reason that why we urinate less in summers, and the urine that we urinate is generally thicker because it is concentrated. It is having dissolved salts, dissolved urea in it, but lesser amount of water. The opposite happens in winters. We urinate more because there is no perspiration, no sweating in winter, so water is not lost from the skin. It generally comes to the kidneys, and as it is not lost from the body, so kidneys, they are having the more amount of water, so we urinate more in winters. Moreover, as water content is more, so urine is diluted, less concentrated or thinner in winters. These are the answers of these questions. One more condition is given in the book, like the disease in cholera. What happens? Loose motions, watery bowels are there, and vomiting is there. Why this happens? Because intestine is unable to absorb water into the blood. Now when intestine stops absorbing water into the blood, who will do the same? Now the kidney, they has to reabsorb all the water from the urine in renal tubule, that is from DCT. Now kidneys, they are reabsorbing the water. While doing so, kidneys will also absorb some urea along with it, and when this urea starts accumulating in the body, it finally leads to death of that person. How we can treat this condition? By giving a glucose saline drip or oral rehydration solution through the mouth. So with this, our chapter excretory system is over. Thank you.